Is this full body 17 case from Miracase going to be worth it for your new phone? Let's find out. So since this is a full body case, on the back you're going to have a nice tempered glass protector here. Also on the screen side as well is going to be a tempered glass screen protector, so you have protection on both sides. Now when it comes to the lenses, you do have a lens protector piece that does hang over that whole lens area, so that if you drop your phone camera lens side down, it'll hit that popped out piece first. On each corner of the case you do get a little bit of a bumper effect too. You can see it is a little bit more thick there, which can help with shock absorption, especially if you drop your phone on the sides or the ends of the case. And of course you have the MagSafe compatibility on the back. You got the MagSafe ring, so this is going to be compatible with any of your MagSafe accessories, wireless charging, and it does have a nice MagSafe hold as well. There's me holding a power bank with it. Does a great job at holding it. But overall, would definitely recommend this case for the 17. It's got everything you need when it comes to protection, especially on both sides. It is a full body case, so you're ensured to have both sides protected, but you still have a nice slim design, so going to be great for pocket use, not going to be too bulky. And then plus that MagSafe ring just kind of ties everything together to make it a great daily case in my opinion. So yeah, if you're looking for a case that has full body protection for the 17, would definitely recommend this one from Miracase.